If you want to remove vocals or music, bass or drums from your audio, watch the continuation of this video. I will show you how it works. First, open your browser and search for Vocal Remover. Then open this link, which is the first one you see. The direct link to this website is in the description and comment box of this video. If you visit this website, you will see an interface. I will be uploading more videos about this website. Now, if you want to remove your vocals or music, click on the Remover tab, then browse My Files, and upload your audio. Then wait for the processing to complete. Once the processing is complete, you will see two volumes, music and vocal. If you want music, you can listen to the entire music minus the vocals by clicking the play button here. Now, if you want to download it, you can download it by clicking on the Save button. Now, if you want to include the bass and drums of your audio, go to Splitter and wait for the audio upload processing to take place. The same operations as in Remover are also available here. Also, you can download the vocals, music, bass, and drums with all the adjustments. So, I hope you liked my video today.